one of the best places to start is, you know, been trying to use the, you know, the dealership paper along with the factory floor mat. But really, this is one of the best places to start your accessorizing of your vehicle, and that is to take out the old floor mat and put in new ones. Nice thing about these is you driving and you make a spill or something, these will hold like a can of pop or so. Let's see here, put it in real quick and easy. They're laser formed, so you put it in, and I mean, it fits right from the get-go. Look at that. Perfect. Now the carpet in the truck will stay all like brand new and factory, and it's all protected from spills and messes and dirty, muddy feet. So anyway, that's a good start, and like I said, WeatherTech makes really good ones, so I certainly recommend.